Ni hao, hello. In this lesson, we will learn verbs, action words in Chinese language. 今天我们学动词 So, first word is 做饭做饭吃饭吃 means to eat 饭 meal 吃饭 have a meal or to eat meal 看电视看 to 看 means to watch 电视 television 明白了吗？跑步主任踢足球 play football 足球 football 看电影 to see a film 看 means to see or to watch 运动 to work out or to do exercise 用电脑 用 means to use 电脑 means computer 好了吗？上网 surf the internet 比赛 to compete 打乒乓球 to play ping pong 打网球 to play tennis 游泳 to swim 打篮球 to play basketball 骑马 to ride a horse. Okay, I hope you understand today Chinese verbs. 希望你明白了今天的中文课。Okay, goodbye，再见。